looking for speed, excitement, and performance straight out of the box. The 2025 lineup of ready-to-run RC cars offers some of the fastest and most thrilling options yet. Whether you're a seasoned hobbyist or just getting started, these top 6 fast RTR RC cars deliver incredible power, durability, and cutting-edge technology without the hassle of building from scratch. From high-speed buggies to off-road monsters, these models are designed for pure adrenaline. In this list, we'll explore the best RTR RC cars of 2025 that combine speed, style, and value, perfect for racers who crave instant action. Traxxas Stampede 4x4 VXL. The Traxxas Stampede 4x4 VXL, priced at $429.95, is a high-performance monster truck built for serious off-road action. It features the powerful Valinian VXL 3S speed control paired with an oversized 540X L brushless motor, delivering extreme torque and top-tier speed for thrilling performance on any terrain. Traxxas equips this beast with extreme heavy-duty suspension and drivetrain components, ensuring incredible durability and reliability straight from the box. Its massive 5.3-inch sledgehammer tyres offer superior ground clearance and an aggressive, commanding stance that dominates rough terrain. A standout feature is the self-righting system, which automatically flips the truck upright if it lands upside down, keeping the fun going without interruption. The rugged clipless body latching system makes for easy one-handed removal and secure mounting, making maintenance a breeze. Whether you're bashing through trails or racing across fields, the Stampede 4x4 VXL delivers unmatched performance and convenience. ARRMARC TYPHON Mega 6 65 4x4. The ARRMA TYPHON Mega 665 4x4, priced at $259.99, offers impressive performance and unbeatable value in a rugged, race-inspired package. It features a high-speed Mega 665 brushed motor, enhanced by an aluminum heatsink and a 35mm cooling fan to keep temperatures in check during intense runs. A 3S brushless ready transmission means you can easily upgrade to even more power when you're ready. The maintenance-free overload coupling transmission protector ensures long-lasting drivetrain reliability. Designed for performance, the TYPHON sports an aggressive racing buggy body, a high downforce wing, and a hidden clipless body retention system for a clean, aerodynamic look. The ventilated chassis and higher side guards improve airflow and help keep debris out. With vented D boots, 2 HO tyres, it grips all terrain, while the Spectrum S661 waterproof Metal Gear digital servo adds durability and precision. Adjustable battery straps allow flexibility for power options, making it perfect for bashing or racing. Team Corrali Punisher 4. The ARRMA TYPHON Mega 6 65 4x4, priced at $259.99, is a high-performance RC racing buggy built for speed, control, and durability. Equipped with a Mega 665 brushed motor, aluminum heatsink, and a 35mm cooling fan, it offers reliable power and temperature management during intense runs. Its ventilated chassis and higher side guards keep components protected and cool, while vented D boots, 2 HO tyres deliver excellent traction on various surfaces. The 3S brushless ready transmission allows for easy upgrades when you're ready for even more speed. A maintenance-free overload coupling. Transmission protector adds durability and ease of care. The aggressive TYPHON racing body with a hidden clipless retention system combines sleek looks with practical design, A high downforce wing ensures stability at high speeds, while the Spectrum S661 waterproof metal gear digital servo provides precise control in all conditions. Adjustable battery straps ensure a secure fit for your power source. Losi Micro T LOS 1392. The Losi Micro T LOS 1392, priced at $129.99, is a compact powerhouse inspired by championship-winning TLR buggy design. Despite its small size, it delivers big performance, featuring a strong, black anodized aluminum chassis for maximum rigidity and durability. The adjustable oil-filled shocks provide smooth handling and absorb impacts like a full-sized racer. Outfitted with fully proportional electronics, the Micro T offers precise throttle and steering control for an authentic driving experience. It comes with a Spectrum SLT 2.4 GHz radio system for reliable connectivity and a Spectrum 350 mAh lithium polymer battery for impressive runtime. Charging's a breeze thanks to the included USB-C charger. The Micro T also sports Pro-Line racing wheels, tyres and body, giving it aggressive styling and performance grip. With custom livery options included, you can personalise the look to match your style. Whether indoors or out, the Losi Micro T is perfect for fun, portable RC action. ARRMARC KRATON 6 S EXB RTR. The ARRMA KRATON 6 S EXB RTR, priced at $829.99, is a rugged and powerful monster truck designed for extreme bashing. Upgraded with EXB, Extreme Bash, parts, it offers unmatched toughness and durability for fearless driving. Its iconic KRATON body features a clipless, quick-release retention system and a high downforce wing with a strengthened one-piece mount for added stability. Protection is enhanced with taller composite side guards and strong composite chassis side guards that shield against dirt and debris. Powered by a Spectrum Firma 407-42050 kV brushless motor paired with a Spectrum Firma 150A Smart V2 waterproof ESC, it delivers explosive speed. The Spectrum S665 high torque steel gear. Steering servo ensures precise control. Its heavy-duty drivetrain includes durable steel drive shafts, stronger diff outdrives, and all-metal gearbox internals for lasting performance. The new tuned oil shock package smooths out rough terrain, ready to run with molded hand tools included. Just add battery and charger. Traxxas Pro Scale Sand Car. The Traxxas Funko Pro Scale 2 wheel drive brushless RTR sand car is a remarkable 1/5 scale RC vehicle that captures the essence of high-performance sand racing. Measuring 812mm in length and 551mm in width, this model stands as the largest in Traxxas's X Series lineup. It's powered by the robust Volinion ViXL 8S brushless system, featuring a 1200XL motor, enabling it to achieve impressive speeds exceeding 55 miles per hour. The vehicle's design showcases meticulous attention to detail, including a full interior with driver figures, replica remote reservoir shocks, and a detailed engine bay complete with licensed R2C air filters and a Whipple supercharger. This blend of scale realism and cutting-edge performance positions the Traxxas Funko Sand Car as a top choice for RC enthusiasts seeking both aesthetic appeal and high-speed thrills. The model is priced at approximately $1,300.